Man United worried misfiring Marcus Rashford is becoming a ghost. Marcus Rashford's run of poor form this season has left reported Manchester United sources concerned he's becoming a ghost. The England international had shoulder surgery at the start of the Premier League season and did not feature until October. It has meant that Rashford has remained behind in terms of match sharpness, and that has been reflected in his goal count of just 5 in all competitions. The 24-year-old, who has played 16 games under Ralf Rangnick, 2 of which he completed the full 90 minutes, has a habit of becoming a ghost, a source told ESPN. The striker's form has disintegrated to such an extent that he is struggling to maintain his England place ahead of the World Cup later this year. Meanwhile, speculation around his future at the club emerged in the wake of United's 4-1 defeat to Manchester City on March 6, with Barcelona, who had inquired about his availability in 2019, and Paris Saint-Germain linked. United are enduring a tumultuous season, being 20 points behind league leaders Man City, dumped out of each of the domestic cup competitions, and out of the Champions League following a 2-1 aggregate loss to Atletico Madrid. Following the defeat to the Spaniards at Old Trafford, some United fans gave their thoughts to Rashford outside the stadium. In response, Rashford was believed by some to give them the middle finger, though the grainy footage and the player's subsequent response contests this. Do you think Rashford can rekindle his career at Man United? Let us know your thoughts in the comments section below. There are 2 sides to every story, he said in a post on social media. A video can paint 1,000 words and in this case lead to inaccurate info being shared on social media. Guys, for weeks I've been heckled, threatened, questioned, and last night my emotion got the better of me. I'm a human being. Reading and hearing that stuff about yourself every day, it wears you down. No one is more critical of my performance than me. Phones were at the ready. Of course I should have walked straight past and ignored it. That's what we're supposed to do, right? I want to clarify 2 things. The first being what I actually said to the man throwing abuse at me, which was, come over here and say it to my face, a fact security can back up, and secondly, the fact I used my forefinger to direct a fan to come over and say it to my face. I did not gesture with my middle finger. I'm not entitled. This isn't ego. I'm upset. I'm disappointed. And in the moment it was silly, but I was being human.